Today, we've got a crucial topic to discuss, the top 6 foods that might be harming your health without you even realizing it. Stick around to find out what you should be mindful of in your diet. Number 1 on our list is sugary drinks. Whether it's soda, fruit juices, or energy drinks, these sugary beverages can lead to weight gain, tooth decay, and even increase the risk of chronic diseases. It's time to rethink what you're sipping on. Coming in at number 2 is processed foods. They may be convenient, but they often contain unhealthy trans fats, excessive sodium, and added sugars. These can contribute to heart disease and other health issues. Let's choose whole, natural foods whenever possible. Number 3 is excessive red meat consumption. While red meat is a good source of protein, eating too much of it, especially processed meats, has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease and certain cancers. Moderation is key. At number 4, we have fried and fast foods. Those crispy fries and burgers might be tempting, but the excessive amounts of unhealthy fats and calories can lead to obesity and other health problems. Opt for healthier cooking methods whenever possible. Our 5th culprit is excessive salt. High sodium intake can contribute to high blood pressure and increase the risk of heart disease. Let's be mindful of how much salt we're adding to our meals and choose low sodium alternatives. And finally, at number 6, we have sugary snacks and desserts. Cookies, candies, and pastries may taste amazing, but the added sugars can lead to weight gain, diabetes, and other health issues. Let's satisfy our sweet tooth with healthier options. Remember, it's all about balance and making informed choices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay healthy, everyone.